Hello friends, and today let us watch the 24 meaning moments of helping the animals. And please remember to watch the whole video so that you don't miss the great moment. As the kind drivers stop the car to bring the camel in the dry desert some water to help it to survive the terrible heat of the dry desert. The other rope had tightened on its horse for so long that it injured it quite badly. Unfortunately, the rescuers help her to take it out and disinfect the wound and clean it. This chimpanzee was very nostalgic before panting with the kind people who had helped him before, as the animal is always grateful whenever people help. The orangutan had become a wonderful nanny, taking care of the cubs. So it is so much fun, isn't it? The kind man is helping the little bat that got stuck in the barbed wire to be free. With only a rope, the brave young man was able to lift the beautiful peacock out of the deep hole. It is impossible to answer why the turtle got stuck like this, but they still helped him out of his unique predicament. She is taking care of the piglet with better meals so that it can grow up even healthier and stronger. His insect trap accidentally caught the chameleon to get stuck and be unable to get out. But it's okay, he's here to fix that mistake. Worrying about finding safety, this little hedgehog got stuck in the eel's martial arts. Unfortunately, he came and helped it. This mischievous ape followed her to ask for some food, and after demonstrating efforts, it also received some bananas. Seeing that the hedgehog couldn't get out of the pool, he stepped forward and helped it to a safer location. After a rather painful fall, the golden horse had to lie down here, and although it was helped by everyone, but it took a long time to get up and continue to move.
Oh my god.
He is trying to bring all of the frog eggs to a larger lake before the place dries up. The kind pedestrian helped the swan family to comply with the law of flipping when crossing the pedestrian crossing. Everyone is trying to help this giraffe to get rid of the iron hoop that has broken its leg before the iron hoop injures it even further. This seal is rushing towards the people to ask them to help to untie the ropes that is around its neck that have tormented it for so long. The unfortunate mother died, so we brought the eggs back to take care of her, hoping that one day he will welcome the healthy cubs. Someone brought the baby otters here so it could be reunited with its mother quickly.
Oh my god.
As the mantis had broken into the house illegally, but he just gently carried it to a safer location. And our video for today will also end here. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.